Have you ever wondered if there's a secret world hidden in plain sight? A place where plants defy logic and reality? Imagine towering, carnivorous flowers that lure their prey with sweet scents, or trees that seem to bleed like humans. This is no science fiction novel. These are real, living wonders that exist right here on Earth. Join us as we explore the top 10 most mind-boggling plants that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about nature. 10. Rafflesia arnoldi. Imagine a flower so immense that it takes your breath away. That's the Rafflesia arnoldi. Known as the world's largest flower, it can reach an astonishing 3 feet in diameter, but the intrigue doesn't stop there. This botanical giant, found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, is infamous for its nauseating odor, which has earned it the chilling nickname corpse flower. This stench, reminiscent of rotting flesh, isn't just for show. It's designed to attract pollinators like carrion beetles and flies, which are drawn to the smell of decay. But wait, there's more. The Rafflesia isn't your average flower. It's a parasitic plant that attaches to the vines of a host plant, the tetrastigma, and spends years in secrecy before it blooms. Its rare and sporadic blooming cycle only adds to its mystique. Discovering this elusive flower in the wild is akin to finding a needle in a haystack, making it one of nature's most intriguing puzzles. 9. Welwitschia mirabilis. Next, let's journey to the heart of the Namib Desert, where the Welwitschia mirabilis reigns supreme. This plant is a living relic from a bygone era, with a remarkable lifespan that can exceed 1,000 years. Its peculiar appearance, just 2 leaves that continuously grow throughout its life, often reaching lengths of over 13 feet, makes it look like a botanical dinosaur. How does it survive in one of the most arid environments on Earth? The Welwitschia has evolved extraordinary adaptations to thrive in extreme conditions. It draws moisture from fog that rolls in from the ocean, and its deep root system helps it endure scorching temperatures. The plant's reproductive system is equally fascinating, relying on both male and female cones that are wind-pollinated. Imagine living for over a millennium in a desert, enduring countless seasons of drought and heat. That's the incredible resilience of the Welwitschia mirabilis. Amorphophallus titanum. Let's turn our attention to the Amorphophallus titanum, better known as the corpse flower. This plant is a true giant, reaching heights of up to 10 feet and boasting an impressive bloom that can be seen from afar. Its infrequent flowering, which happens only once every few years, is a spectacular event for botanists and plant enthusiasts alike. But the excitement comes with a catch. The corpse flower is notorious for its foul odor, which smells like rotting flesh. This repulsive scent serves a crucial function. It attracts specific pollinators like carrion beetles and flies, essential for the plant's reproduction. Native to the rainforest of Sumatra, the corpse flower thrives in a humid environment, relying on its unique strategy to ensure survival. Witnessing the bloom of this massive flower is a rare and unforgettable experience, making it one of the most fascinating plants in the botanical world. Venus flytrap. Prepare to be amazed by the Venus flytrap, one of nature's most ingenious hunters. This remarkable plant captures its prey with a unique mechanism. Its specialized leaves snap shut when triggered by tiny hairs. Once an insect makes the mistake of landing on the trap, it's ensnared by the Venus flytrap's razor-sharp edges and slippery interior. But the plant's ingenuity doesn't stop there. After capturing its prey, the Venus flytrap secretes digestive enzymes to break down the insect, absorbing essential nutrients to supplement its growth. Native to the wetlands of North and South Carolina, the Venus flytrap thrives in nutrient-poor soil, where its carnivorous diet provides a vital source of nourishment. The plant's rapid response and efficient digestion make it a marvel of evolutionary adaptation, showcasing the incredible diversity of plant life. Dragon tree, Dracaena draco. Step into the world of the dragon tree, or Dracaena draco, a botanical wonder with a striking appearance and a storied history. This iconic tree, native to the Canary Islands, Cape Verde, and Morocco, is known for its unique umbrella-shaped canopy and thick, sword-like leaves. The dragon tree's most fascinating feature is its red sap, known as dragon's blood, which has been prized for centuries for its medicinal and dyeing properties. This sap holds deep cultural significance in various regions, often associated with myths and legends. In some cultures, the dragon tree symbolizes strength and protection, while in others, its sap is used in traditional rituals. With its dramatic silhouette and rich cultural heritage, the dragon tree is not just a botanical marvel, but a living testament to the intersection of nature and human history. Pitcher plant. Dive into the world of the pitcher plant, a captivating carnivorous species with a unique design. These plants feature tubular structures filled with a liquid that lures insects with sweet nectar. Once an insect slips inside, it finds itself trapped by the plant's slippery walls and downward-facing hairs. But the pitcher plant's adaptations go beyond simple trapping. Various species have evolved to attract specific insects, and some can even digest small vertebrates. The pitcher plant's role in its ecosystem is crucial, as it helps control insect populations and contributes to nutrient cycling in nutrient-poor soils. With its diverse adaptations and fascinating trapping mechanism, the pitcher plant showcases the remarkable ways in which plants have evolved to survive and thrive. 4. Baobab. Tree. Explore the majestic baobab tree, a true giant of the African landscape. Known for its massive trunk and striking shape, often likened to an upside-down tree, the baobab can live for over 1,000 years. Its enormous trunk serves a crucial function, storing large quantities of water to help it survive during dry seasons. This remarkable adaptation enables the baobab to thrive in arid environments, providing vital resources for both wildlife and local communities. In African folklore, the baobab is often referred to as the tree of life due to its ability to provide food, shelter, and medicine. Its cultural significance and ecological importance make the baobab a cornerstone of life in its environment, symbolizing endurance and resilience. Sensitive plant, Mimosa pudica. Introducing the sensitive plant, or Mimosa pudica, a botanical marvel with a unique defense mechanism. This fascinating plant responds to touch by instantly folding its leaves, a rapid movement caused by specialized cells that change turgor pressure. This intriguing behavior helps deter herbivores and protect the plant from potential threats. Native to tropical and subtropical regions, the sensitive plant's quick reactions and delicate pink flowers make it a popular attraction in botanical gardens and homes. Its captivating movements and charming appearance have earned it a special place in the hearts of plant enthusiasts, making it a delightful addition to any collection. Ghost orchid, Dendrophylax lindani. Venture into the swamps of Florida and Cuba to uncover the elusive ghost orchid, a plant renowned for its rarity and ethereal beauty. This enigmatic orchid features delicate white flowers that appear to float in midair, giving it a ghostly appearance. Its specific habitat requirements and declining numbers due to habitat loss make it a challenge to find and protect. Despite its elusive nature, the ghost orchid holds significant value in orchid enthusiast communities, where its unique characteristics and the thrill of the hunt make it a coveted treasure. Efforts to conserve this rare plant highlight the importance of preserving our natural ecosystems and the wonders they hold. 1. Lobster claw, Heliconia rostrata. Meet the lobster claw, or Heliconia rostrata, a striking plant celebrated for its vibrant colors and unique flower structure. Its bright red and yellow bracts resemble lobster claws, creating a visual spectacle that attracts pollinators like hummingbirds. Native to the tropical regions of Central and South America, the lobster claw thrives in humid environments, often found in rainforests and along riverbanks. Its exotic beauty has made it a popular choice in ornamental gardening, where it adds a touch of the tropics to landscapes and floral arrangements. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the lobster claw plays a vital role in supporting local ecosystems by providing food for pollinators and contributing to the diversity of its environment. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other fascinating plants out there waiting to be discovered. So, if you're as captivated by the natural world as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our latest adventures.